Want to turn back the clock and feel younger? Stay with me for the next 5 minutes because today we're revealing the top anti-aging foods you should add to your diet today. These superfoods don't just slow aging, they'll have you glowing from the inside out. Let's dive right in. Kicking off with number 1, berries. Did you know berries are packed with antioxidants that fight off the nasty free radicals responsible for aging? Whether it's strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, these little powerhouses are a must. Throw a handful of berries in your morning smoothie, or snack on them throughout the day. Your skin will thank you for the anti-aging boost. Next up, avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy fats that keep your skin moisturized, giving you that youthful glow. Plus, they're loaded with vitamin E, which protects your skin from sun damage. Pro tip: add avocados to your toast, salads, or even blend them into a smoothie for a creamy texture that's actually good for your skin. Look at this beauty. It's not just Instagram worthy, it's your secret to radiant, youthful skin. Okay, now this one's important: dark leafy greens like spinach and kale. These veggies are rich in vitamin C, which boosts collagen production and keeps your skin firm. Plus, they're loaded with antioxidants that fight off aging at a cellular level. Try adding them to a smoothie or sauté them with some garlic for a delicious wrinkle-fighting side dish. Your skin will love you for it. Next is one of my favorites: nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and other nuts are rich in vitamin E and healthy fats. These protect your skin from UV damage, prevent wrinkles, and keep it hydrated. Keep a small bag of nuts with you for a quick anti-aging snack. Just a handful a day can make a huge difference for your skin. Easy, right? Let's talk fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which keep your skin hydrated and smooth. They also reduce inflammation, a major contributor to aging. Add fatty fish to your meals at least twice a week for skin that's plump, youthful, and glowing. Plus, it's great for your heart and brain. Need a break from coffee? Switch to green tea. This ancient drink is full of catechins, powerful antioxidants that slow the aging process, improve skin elasticity, and reduce wrinkles. Make green tea part of your daily routine for both skin benefits and overall health. Trust me, you'll feel the difference. Last but not least, don't forget those colorful veggies like carrots, bell peppers, and sweet potatoes. They're rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, an essential anti-aging vitamin. Vitamin A is the key to cell turnover and skin repair, leaving your skin smooth and glowing. Try roasting these veggies for a delicious skin-boosting meal. Who knew staying young could be so tasty? Alright, now that you know the top anti-aging foods, it's time to add them to your diet today. Berries, avocados, leafy greens, nuts, fatty fish, green tea, and colorful veggies are your secret weapons to glowing, youthful skin and overall health. Remember, small changes in your diet can make a huge difference in how you look and feel. So start today. Did you learn something new today? Hit that like button if you did, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to look and feel your best. Share this video with someone who needs that anti-aging boost. Thanks for watching Holistic Living, and I'll see you in the next video.